You guys ready for a road trip?
It's through my heart. We could take the
All right, so pit stop number 1 for food and gas, and oh my God, it rained all the way through LA. Probably gonna get to the destination at like 4 o'clock. So let's keep going.
If you put your hand underneath my skin, you might touch my soul.
You know, I keep doing this thing where I start talking in videos and then I don't keep talking, so that was all the talking I did. Anyway, I went to San Francisco to go visit my little brother. Had a bunch of fun seeing the dude, so here you go.
And I can feel the range of both, yeah. Sour over dollar sign, yeah. Try to hit it like some ibuprofen, yeah. But fully charged, Mrs. Alkali. Yeah, we started up at arm's length. Got me fixing your guitar string. Now I'm sitting in this bird's nest. I'm liking how my heart sings. Like, call me back. You should